I'm sorry I can't be with you in person today at City Hall in Cardiff for your conference, but I'd like to thank you all for attending. The conference offers a fantastic opportunity to collaborate and share information, and I'm delighted that the Welsh Government is supporting this annual conference, which provides a space for knowledge exchange, including sharing best practice and networking within the sector. It also encourages innovation and provides opportunities to learn from and to build partnerships. If last year's event at the Llangollen Pavilion is anything to go by, you'll have had a thoroughly enjoyable day and have gained valuable information along the way. I think it's encouraging to see the growing interest in the social enterprise approach that is being generated right across the country. Now, the role of the Welsh Government is to provide the sector with the right support to develop, grow and to flourish. And back in December of last year, we launched our Prosperity for All Economic Action Plan. It sets out Welsh Government's plans to increase wealth and well-being through inclusive economic growth. It continues Welsh Government's commitment to supporting the social enterprise sector to play an increasing role in our economy. Social businesses live and breathe the principles of the economic contract that is at the heart of the Economic Action Plan, what I have termed investment with a social purpose. An inclusive economy has businesses of all sizes that are committed to improving their area through their actions. A responsible business gives back to the community through traditional means such as philanthropy, sponsorship and volunteering. It also acts as a business citizen by addressing local needs in its everyday decisions, such as offering opportunities to disadvantaged people or building partnerships with community organisations. All types of businesses can be responsible, but social businesses, whose reason for existing is community benefit, may be able to make the largest contribution. Whilst the mapping report of the sector shows that social businesses in Wales are doing very well, there is a need to prepare the sector for the future. We are actively discussing the direction of the sector for Wales and the innovative and exciting opportunities that could be progressed within the sector to generate benefits to the communities as well as to Wales and the Welsh economy. As most of you will be aware, a sector-led, Wales-wide approach to the social economy framework is currently under development, which I intend to present to the Welsh Government Cabinet for endorsement by the end of this year. In addition, the Welsh Government jointly leads with the Scottish Government on the British-Irish Council Social Inclusion Work Sector. Now, the Council is responsible and responsive to evolving policy priorities, and its current work programme prioritises 11 specific work sectors where it can deliver for citizens and for stakeholders. In these work sectors, ministers, civil servants and, of course when relevant, invited stakeholders are collaborating across a range of social, economic and environmental topics. In June, social enterprise was agreed as a new topic for the Social Inclusion Working Group. This will, I think, provide a collaborative approach to developing the social enterprise sector in Wales through engagement with the British-Irish Council. It will also, though, provide an opportunity for interchange of knowledge between administrations to inform policy development and implementation. And there are exciting times ahead for the sector, and I'm encouraged about the future and the potential for the sector. We have a fantastic opportunity to apply collective impact, and I hope that the conference has stimulated many fresh ideas, genuine collaboration, and a focus on the practical ways in which we can work together to develop new opportunities that are mutually beneficial to Wales. So I offer my very best wishes, and I hope you found the conference incredibly useful and that you made the connections that you needed. And lastly, perhaps foremost, thank you for the contribution you are making to improving the social and economic well-being of Wales.